Let's do this.
In life, we create routines based on external and internal pressures that push us to do certain things. What if we challenge ourselves by going beyond our comfort zone to open our mind and our body to limitless possibilities? Built to Breathe retreat that I'm forever grateful to be able to attend was created to connect your mind and your body to help you redefine what it means to be a human by understanding the power of your breath, by learning to feel comfortable in uncomfortable conditions, by embracing yourself. You make sure that from now on you can control your reality in any environment.
It's a beautiful day, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna get to see the sunrise from here, guys. So get familiar with this place. This is where growth happens, guys. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Woo! In 20 seconds, everybody will be at 3 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Scream! Welcome. This is just the beginning. Good job, everyone.
That was our first ice bath actually. It was a real mental work for me. But when you're doing that along with amazing same-minded people and learning the essentials from the best, there is nothing you cannot do really.
What you can say?
No big deal.
No big deal.
Easy. No big.
Sauna after was a blessing. Hey guys, this is by the way 220 degrees real sauna out there, no jokes. After that we had amazing, truly the best food by Matt, Jake and their team. Thank you so much guys. I still crave these amazing cookies and cream soups and everything you did, really. Honestly, the food was the biggest reward for me, as doing activities such as an ice bath, sauna, mobility, breathwork, yoga, hiking burn tons of calories. Speaking about ice bath, if you follow my journey, you probably know that this is my must-have anti-aging and anti-inflammatory routine. But if not, just a quick explanation. What are we doing here? What ice bath can do for you? See, cold exposure is an example of a positive stressor that causes the body to push beyond its comfort level and adapt. Along with amazing mindset growth, we see the benefits such as a quicker muscle recovery, reducing stress, weight loss, energy boost, and simply natural high. Yep, it's addicting.
32 degrees, baby. No big deal. Ah, that sun feels so good. Back to the sauna. When you go in the cold, the blood goes to the organs, your heart, your brain. Then when you go back to the heat, blood flow goes back to your skin, the extremities. So you're getting that flushing back and forth. It's great for circulation. All right, so back in the sauna now. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's do this.
You're just gonna get more out of your workout because you're so focused on the breath the entire time, and then it doesn't feel that hard because you're actually thinking of the breath first.
You're not thinking about the pain of the workout.
Exactly.
You're just thinking of the breathing and keeping your mind focused on that.
Hi guys, welcome to second day of our ice retreat. We are going to a little hike. After that, we're gonna have amazing time with sound bath. We already did breath work, yoga, cold plunge. I feel very grateful for this moment. I feel in the present, everything that is happening.
We did a HIIT workout also with incorporating breathwork. That was awesome too.
You probably heard about the term fight or flight. It's also known as the stress response. It helps us rise to many challenges. Unfortunately, nowadays, this response is more and more provoked constantly. But not because the bear is about to eat us, but because traffic was so bad or so many things at work. What are consequences? Health problems, high heart pressure, heart diseases, low immune system, and my favorites, anxiety and depression. We can't avoid all sources of stress in our lives, but we can learn how to breathe in order to invoke the relaxation response. Breathe deeply.
Upregulating breath work here with some breath holds.
after it, we're gonna do that feather breath that Luis was talking about earlier, where you imagine there's a feather under your nose, so we're gonna create the storm.
After amazing breathwork with Harrison, we dive deeper into silence meditation, and we do that to reconnect with the nature while walking back to the yummiest lunch ever. Thank you, Matt and his team. Look at this salad. This is truly the best food I've ever ate. And we are coming to sound bath. That was magical. Listen to it.
Subtle oscillations that you hear between notes, wah, 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 these kind of sounds, they'll happen with different frequency, different vibrations, high tones, low tones.
Find your voice, let it build.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
One word that you can describe this beautiful cake with.
It's so cozy. Cozy.
You say comfort, yeah.
Cozy.
Good morning, day 3. Look at that. We woke up in this beauty and it was truly magical, especially for us living on the West Coast. And of course, morning yoga with Anna. It was amazing. You know that I'm a big fan of yoga, and if it is something you want to start your physical activity with, yoga is the best to connect your body and soul. Highly, highly recommended. And here's our red light. So this is very, very beneficial.
Guys, welcome to day 3. Look at this beautiful day. We have so much snow and we are already after yoga, and right now we are heading to do a breathwork and beautiful ice bath.
Fully in, let it go. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, 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 inhale. You're a warrior. You're strong and capable. Keep that breath pattern. Keep firing and charging the energy.
Get it, Mike. Oh, come on, that was weak. There's a big one right here. Get the ice right there.
To the sauna!
I'm coming back out. Oh, man, that's a brain freeze.
Woo! Brain freeze.
Oh, man. All right, so now we're going to hit the sauna. Oh, it's about 200 degrees in there.
It was beyond transformational weekend for me. The best community ever, amazing insights, motivation in every life aspect, and only one wish: to as many people as possible to experience this.
Everything is gonna be okay, you know, but you gotta do that. So that's kind of like your life. You gotta ignite that fire and you must not let it die, you know. Otherwise it's gonna get cold and it's not gonna be cozy anymore and you're not gonna get the benefits of it.
Thank you so much, Harrison. It was amazing, and we are waiting for next retreats. You guys should join us.
And we're all here just to create community and spread these beautiful healing powers with the world. So that's what it's all about. Different bonds happen in weekends like this.
Exactly.
And this is what we're
Powerful.
doing.
Very powerful.
Love you guys.
Too.
Great.
Okay guys, hope you liked our experiences in Minnesota. It was amazing, and I hope to see you here. Join us next time for our mind growth, and see you in the next video. Bye!